Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Reddit. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Reddit website and make sure to log in into your account. So from here, I'm just going to discard this post and here we are already logged into our account, and now we need just to go to the settings so we can be able to change our username. So basically you will need just to search for some settings where you can change your profile settings or user settings, and from here I'm just going to click on user settings, and basically we will find or we will search for the account settings, and from here you can change your email address, display language, etc. And basically we need just to go to our profile, and from here you will go to the display name, and from here you can start having a display name, and by that you will be able to have another username or a display name, but it won't change the username that you will find on your URL. So basically the username is kind of unique. So basically, those usernames cannot be changed, but you can change your display name. That will be an alternative for your username. So basically, this is the only way or the way to have another display name that will be seen by other people on Reddit, and they won't see your username. So you will need just to add any display name. So for example, I'm just going to add this one, and then you will need just to go back, and now you will have your in your profile you will see that you will have this display name, and of course this is the username that cannot be changed since it is unique. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.